Orang just ingat I'm just a kid yang ayahnya mampu berlakon jadi budak sekolah je. But I'm more than that. I am hoping that people can see me more because I can do a lot. It's just that I tak diberi peluang dan platform yang betul. People tak I'm tired of being a kid. People don't take me seriously. I enjoy being a kid, berlakon. I enjoy being people's childhood actress. I sangat happy. People come to me, mak orang come to me, a kid comes to me, cakap I happy kan childhood diorang and blah blah blah. But I guess we need to move on now. I can't be a kid forever, and it's like I'm 21 and I'm still stuck in people's perspective on me, as I'm still a kid, even though I'm 21. Because bila orang pandang you as budak, orang tak take you seriously. Apa you cakap ke, apa you feel, whatever, people tak take you seriously. So of course, and cakap pasal mental health, I memang dah I been fighting this for daripada I 15 tahun, and I even talk about my mental health journey dekat MTV before, and it's not something that I've been hiding. It is something that I memang dah war-warkan pun. And maybe I rasa macam dekat TikTok I pun sikit-sikit I macam hinting a lot of sadness, which is not anything new pun. It's just that I've never been so expressive. And I'm just really anxious with a lot of
So harapan you kat pengarah luar sana mungkin bagi peluang kat you ke macam mana lepas ni?
Yes. People don't see my potential. Nobody has ever seen me in my fullest. Nobody has ever pushed me to my limit. People don't even know what I can offer, what I can do. People don't even know my talent, what I can do. Because I'm not even given a chance to.